everyone. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a couple new products that aren't just a game changer for our kitchen, but also for our health. So the first up is the new Norwex reusable silicone bags, but this is just the beginning. So I want to dive into how Norwex can help us create a kitchen that's free from harmful chemicals and also plastics, while allowing us to stay more eco-friendly and sustainable. So these are great. As you can tell, I use them. I've been using them for a few months. They come in two sizes, which are very handy. You can use these in the fridge, in the oven, and the microwave. We're gonna talk about that in a minute. The small bag holds a little bit over 31 fluid ounces. So this small one is going to be perfect for your single serve portions, dinners, lunches, even snacks, or some leftovers that you might have. The large bag, get this, holds a little bit over 66 ounces. This is going to be ideal for your larger meals, your soups, meal prep. These bags are versatile, durable, and reusable, which I love, which helps us reduce our reliance on those single-use plastics. I don't know if you know this. I didn't. They often contain chemicals like BPA and phthalates, which actually leach into our food. And when we're heating our food in plastic containers, these chemicals can pose a serious health risk, including hormone disruption and also increased risk of certain cancers. Now, switching to something simple like this, like the silicone bags, it's not just smart, it's essential, and it also saves money over time. The reusable silicone bags are made from 100% food-grade silicone, which is safe, non-toxic, and does not react with foods or liquids. Plus, they're oven and microwave safe up to 375 degrees, so you can even heat up your meals, your lunches in these and without any worry at all. But if we're going to transition to the reusable silicone bags, why just stop at that one product? I want to explore some more Norwex solutions to make your kitchen chemical and plastic free. So another item that I love and use religiously are my collapsible storage containers. These containers save space. Look at this, with their cool collapsible design, and they're microwave safe, they're food safe, they're great for leftovers, meal prep, they're just amazing. We also have some stretchy silicone lids, which I use daily. So they create this is my dog's food, they create an airtight seal, like really, an airtight seal. They are made from food grade silicone. They keep your food fresher longer. They eliminate waste. It's really been nice having these to use for the leftovers. I'll just keep it right on the plate and throw it in the fridge. It's great. Now for spills, cleaning and drying things, I want you to check out a couple new items that we have. Some familiar favorites like our countercloths. Many people use and love these. They are now available in this beautiful onyx color. You can either get them in a set of 3 or in the countercloth box set. Now these are perfect for reducing your paper towels. Each cloth absorbs spills quickly and dries super fast. I lay mine right over the top, so they're always ready to go. We also have kitchen towels and kitchen cloths, which I have loved for years, but we have them in a new color, which is this onyx color. Kitchen towels and kitchen cloths are my go-to. They are ultra absorbent. They're fast drying. These remove 99% of bacteria with just water, and they are available in many other colors, but I prep with a lot of berries and things with bright colors, so I don't like staining, so I'm really gonna love these. So we also have something really cool, which is our refrigerator drawer liners. These are great to lay in your refrigerator drawer. It prevents bruising on your produce, and it's also proven to keep your produce fresher longer and keeps it really clean too. When you combine Norwex silicone bags with some of these other essentials, you're not just making your kitchen more efficient, you're protecting your family from harmful chemicals and reducing our environmental footprint. And honestly, every step counts. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you real soon. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Bye for now.